So this is just a little bit about Miss Bildstein. So I went to Loris College and I graduated from college 2 years ago. Last year was my first year teaching at Piasta Elementary, but you may have remembered me from the year before that when I student taught with Mrs. Kate and Mrs. Daly. I currently live with my parents, Mike and Lynn, and then I have two sisters. This is Kylie, and then this is Ellie. This is Ellie's boyfriend named Matt, and this is Kylie's boyfriend named Luke, and then this is my boyfriend named Brock, and this is a picture from around the holiday season last year. My parents have two dogs on our farm. We live on a dairy farm outside of Petersburg, Iowa. This is a picture of Piper, and then our other dog's name is Tank, and I just didn't have a picture of him to upload. And Piper's a lot bigger now. She's actually Tank's mom. She had puppies around Thanksgiving 2 years ago, and then my sister Ellie got to keep one of them, so she chose Tank. I love to go shopping at Old Navy and Target. Those are some of my favorite places. And I also love to read. Reading is one of my favorite things to do. And on the weekends, I enjoy spending some time outside on the Mississippi River. I spent a lot of time there this summer, and it was just great to enjoy nature. So this is just a little bit about me.